My dear, you need to rethink how to handle bulk tasks. The problem isn't your lack of time management because time is fixed, it's constant. The real issue is your energy. You might have enough hours throughout the day to do whatever you like, but you might not have enough energy throughout the day. Unlike the predictability of the clock, our energy is not. It fluctuates from 1 hour to the next. And if you keep believing that we all have 24 hours advice, you will only end up disappointed and frustrated. Time management isn't the hours you have, it's about how you use your energy. We were being taught to squeeze more out of our 24 hours. In this video, I will share with you how I maximize my energy and get most of my tasks done. It might change the way you work forever because it has helped me a lot. Back then, anytime I didn't hit my goal, I often blame time. I say things like, if only I had more time. So I convinced myself that I would get it right next time. And I committed to figuring out this whole time management thing. By clicking on this video, I know you are looking for the next time management hack. But hear this. I was going about it all wrong. The reason I was not reaching my goal wasn't because of poor time management. This whole time management thing started during Frederick Winslow Taylor's time. He tailored time management during the Industrial Revolution. But today, that approach has taken on a life of its own. Blogs, social media posts, books are all filled with the next time management hack. It goes like we all have 24 hours. So if Mr. A can get the task done, why can't you? But it doesn't really work like that. Of course, technically, we all have 24 hours, but not everybody has the same 24 hours. Let's look at this now. 3 people of which you are part. You plan to record your video on weekends, and during the weekdays, you edit and post it on your channel. But on the weekends, Mr. A doesn't have to do laundry, cook dinner, or send his pet to the vet because he doesn't have a pet. Guess who did it? Miss B. She was able to do that because she outsourced all that and went on to record her videos. But you, even if you can afford to outsource, you sit down to write your lengthy to-do lists. You copy the morning routines of the world's most successful people. And you sit in front of your camera to record your kids' call out. Mom! By the time you are done with them, you've lost focus. By 3 p.m., you are convinced that you are procrastinating because all your 10 items on your to-do list are there, staring at you. And so naturally, you beat yourself up for wasting time. And worse, you think tomorrow might be different. You will try the next time management hack you found on Instagram. You think maybe a new time management hack will put me on track. But the same thing happened the next day. My dear, you need to rethink how to handle bulk tasks. The problem isn't your lack of time management because time is fixed, it's constant. The real issue is your energy. You might have enough hours throughout the day to do whatever you like, but you might not have enough energy throughout the day. Unlike the predictability of the clock, our energy is not. It fluctuates from 1 hour to the next. And if you keep believing that we all have 24 hours advice, you will only end up disappointed and frustrated. It's time to stop chasing time management hacks and manage your energy. Here are the 4 things I did to become productive, and you can try it out if you really want to manage your energy. First, find your peak performance period. There's a time in the day when you are naturally focused. It might be in the early morning before your kids wake up, in the afternoon, or during the night when the world goes silent. During those periods, your energy is at its maximum. Getting into the flow state becomes effortless, and tasks that require more energy get done easier. Find those hours. When is your focus at its peak? Take note on your calendar or Keep a productivity journal for a week to track when you feel the sharpest. And this might change as you age. I became a morning person after I got married. Before that, I get most of my tasks done at night. I often stay up past midnight working on a project. So after dawn prayers, I try not to let anything come between me and my work. During that time, I make a significant improvement on my big goals. 2. Find out how much energy each task requires. Your energy isn't constant. It ebbs and flows depending on how much you've eaten, how much sleep you've had, the quality of your rest, and other factors. Instead of using time management principles to organize your day, organize your tasks based on the energy it requires. For me, some tasks need little energy, like checking my email, replying my WhatsApp messages, and others. And others drain my battery way faster, like researching, recording video, and editing my videos. Create a list of your common weekly tasks and arrange them from the most draining to the least. And remember, the fact that a task takes a lot of energy doesn't mean it's the most important one. During your peak performance hours, tackle the task that is most important and requires high energy. 3. Refill your cup. Rest is productive. I repeat, rest is productive. None of us is built to run non-stop. In this digital age, it's hard to take a full break, especially now that we are always connected to work through our phones. It's slippery slope. You tell yourself, I'm just replying to one email, I'm just answering one message, and then it's move on to the next while on break. Find what helps you recharge and make time for it. Maybe it's morning workouts, afternoon walk, or 15 minutes meditation between works. 4. The last point, make a flexible to-do list. No matter how many productivity techniques you apply, some things are simply beyond your control, and your energy is one of them. You can do everything right and still wake up feeling low. You can have the best intention and still struggle to concentrate, even at your peak hours. While planning your day, give yourself grace when things doesn't go as expected. And I'm saying this because I need this advice too. I know how frustrated it can be when your entire day is derailed by something like bad internet connection when you are doing research, and it takes like 5 minutes for one site to open, and when it finally opens, your laptop begins to freeze. The point is, you are not perfect. It's better you accept it and build flexibility into your schedule. Even if you have a bad day, it doesn't have to affect your well-being or your self-worth. I know this isn't a popular opinion, although we all have 24 hours in a day, but that 24 hours isn't the same for everyone. So plan accordingly. Go watch this video to get some psychological tricks about how to get things done easier. And if this video spikes something in you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be unto you.